Grupo, if you're still here, come up. Brother Chris West, I don't know if you're here. If not, Brother Mike Victorino, Uncle George Bronson, Uncle Joe O'Donnell. Who else over there? Brother Tony Estinike, Brother Bully Valmoha, DC-50, if you guys can come up. Irish Barber, Ayatsi, Arnold Pang, and Jamie from Metal Trades and IFPTE. Brother Kevin Holu, make your way up here, my brother. Teamsters in the house. Brother Peter Ganaban, Local 368 Laborers. Brother Peter Uriarte, Local 630, Brother the Masons.
Come on down, guys. Come on down, guys. Come on down.
Brother Val Seria, Plumbers. Brother Jeff Ornelas, if you're still here, Bricklayers Union. Who else? Brother Kalani's up here already. Sister Rose from the Hawaii Nurses Association. Are you still here, Rose? Come up, please. Brother Doug Folk, Insulators Union. Brother Leroy Chinsil, IBW 1260. Brother Damian Kim, 1186. I think you're in home already, but if not, Tracy or Layton, you can come up. And Brother Art Tolentino, I know Tony left already, but anybody for the Sheet Metal Workers Union still there, please come up. And if I miss anybody, I apologize. It's been a long 2 days for me. But come up, they want to do something special over here.
I got those.
And then we're going to be giving away
guys, hope you guys having a good
the
Labor
Vegas
Day wherever
trip.
you are.
Must be present to win.
It's like 10 p.m.
Thank you to Brother Kalani Werner.
10
And
p.m.
UPW, that's going to be
what
last.
time is it where you guys are?
Oh, Bada Valley's
are
here,
probably in the
Dougie's
future.
here.
You guys are in the future.
Peter Riaki,
Alright, guys.
IBW, Leroy. Brother
This is
Leroy is
the
here.
Hawaii's Labor Unity Picnic.
Where you guys at, guys? Come on down if you can. Come on down.
Kevin Holu, Peter Ganaban.
Here at the Waikiki show.
I know you guys still here.
They have like 8,000 people
go nowhere
here.
without the gates still closed here. Okay, I see Kevin and Peter Ganaban coming up. Uncle George.
All right, there he is. They're all humble guys.
Uncle George.
They're humble guys. All
I
right.
see Clyde Hayashi. Bronson na coming. Brother Bronson. Anybody from IOW still? Bully. DC-50, you guys up here? I see Anna coming up.
All right, we got Anna Trias Sopo in the house. All right.
Oh
Let's
yeah,
go, David.
Lisa.
Let's go, David.
Lisa Marie. AFG. Oh, she's still here already, sorry. Okay.
This is
Come up
the
here.
world famous Waikiki show.
Here we are, there. You left already. Peter. Mr. Chairman. Okay, well, this might be it. Because I
Right, Anna's here. Anna's walking.
About Tony
Anna's here.
Estinike,
Anna's here.
Machinist Union. Sorry about it, Tony, and I miss you.
Uh-oh. Where's the baby's mama?
Okay,
Here. Where's this baby's mama?
so,
Oh no.
Brother Kavika, you said they wanted to do something special. But before this, I almost forgot. You know, I hope you guys all had fun tonight.
Yeah.
You know, and the dedication and the hard work
Was that just
of
me?
your guys, union leaders, is what was able to put this together. You guys never have to pay nothing to come in, for your family to come in and enjoy all the food, fun, and entertainment. Everything is paid for by the unions. Thank you all to all the unions. We also take care of the unions who's not participating. You know, other unions who's out there, their members come, we take care of them too. So it's hosted by the Hawaii Building Construction Trades Council, which most of the participants are a part of. But before there was a Gino executive director, and before there was a Kika Bukowski executive director,